Hey guys, how you doing? This is Dr. Mike of iCAN Clinic. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the beautiful relationship between chiropractic and pregnancy. Now, when the mother's going through the pregnancy and the term, her body is going through a lot of drastic changes, and on top of that, the mother's body will always sacrifice itself for the betterment of the baby, which means that anything that the baby needs, it will get taken from the mother's body and given to the baby, basically. A lot of times we see in our office mothers complaining of lower back and pelvic pain and hip pain associated with the later terms of the pregnancy. Now, one thing about this is that when the hips and the lower back are locked up and they are not moving properly, okay, in the later terms of pregnancy, you start to get relaxin release, which is made to help the hips and the ligaments and tendons to start to relax, to allow the hips to actually expand, to allow the baby to start to drop, and then allow the birthing process to start to occur when we eventually get to that point. If one side of your pelvis is locked up or subluxated, it is not moving, then all the motion has to come from the other side of the pelvis, right? So the relaxin starts to get released, and then all that starts to release on this side, and this side stays locked up. Now all of a sudden you start to have this adverse or this uneven pull on the pelvis and on the lumbar spine structures. And then on top of that, the one side of the pelvis can't actually start to expand as well as the other side. Now once you get this locked up segment adjusted and start to getting it moved, now throughout the pregnancy, the pelvis can start to move, expand, and start to do the divine design that it was intended to do, which is allow room for the baby to actually drop and actually be birthed through the birthing canal. Now, it has been shown through thousands of research articles that actually a well-aligned and well-moving pelvis actually creates more than enough room for the baby to go down through the vaginal canal and be birthed out. And it actually shows that there's a drastic decrease in the length of birth and actually the ease of which the child is born, so it's less stress on the mother as well. So if you are going through pregnancy and you are feeling that you're starting to have some pelvic pain or some low back pain, or you just want to get your spine checked to make sure that your pelvis is in the optimal position to allow the baby to come into this beautiful world, feel free to give us a call at 618-254-CARE.